Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a simple but super effective DIY face mask using just 2 kitchen ingredients. That is coffee and natural yogurt. This mask is amazing for exfoliating, brightening and moisturizing your skin all naturally. And the best part, it takes less than 5 minutes to prepare. So let's get started. The process of making this face mask is super simple. So we use 1 tablespoon of ground coffee and 2 tablespoons of natural unsweetened yogurt for that matter. It should be unsweetened yogurt. Take a small bowl, put the 1 tablespoon of coffee, 2 tablespoons of natural yogurt, mix very well until it forms a consistent paste. If you have honey, you can add for extra hydration, but this step is optional. As you can already see, my paste was super smooth, so let's just start applying. First and foremost, ensure that your face is dry and clean before you start applying. Using clean fingers or a brush, apply the mask evenly over your face and ensure that you avoid the eye area. If you do not have a brush, worry less, your fingers will work perfectly for you. If you will be using your fingers, give your face that gentle massage for the mask to be effective. The homemade face mask has very many benefits, so let's start with the benefits of coffee on our faces. Number 1 benefit, it exfoliates the dead skin cells. Coffee grounds act as gentle physical scrub. Number 2 benefit, it improves blood circulation. Caffeine stimulates microcirculation for a healthy glow. Benefit number 3, it tightens and firms skin, which will temporarily reduce the appearance of sagging. Number 4 benefit, it reduces puffiness, especially around the eyes. So if you have a challenge of puffy eyes, this is the solution for you. Number 5, it is rich in antioxidants, and this protects the skin from free radical damage and premature aging. Number 6 benefit, it minimizes appearance of cellulite. Caffeine can help reduce fluid retention. 7, brightens complexion. This will promote more radiant look, the glow. 8, it reduces inflammation. It helps calm redness and irritation. So in case you have any redness or any sort of irritation in your face, this will really come through for you. Number 9 is a magic benefit for me because it balances oily skin. This can help absorb excess oil without over drying. 10, it fades away the dark spots. The antioxidants properties in coffee support even skin tone over time. So for this to work for you, you have to be very consistent. Those are just a few benefits of coffee. You can comment in the comment section any that you feel that are forgotten. Now let's go to the benefits of yogurt for the skin. Number 1 benefit, it contains lactic acid that gently dissolves the dead skin cells for smoothness. If you are still following to this point, don't get lost. I've just mentioned benefit number 1. So after you apply evenly, leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. While it's on, the coffee will gently stimulate your skin and the yogurt will deeply nourish and hydrate. So now let's proceed. Number 2 benefit, it brightens the skin tone. This will help improve dull and tired looking skin.
A few moments later.
3, it moisturizes deeply. It nourishes dry and flaky skin. 4, it soothes irritation, calms redness, itchiness, and mild sunburn. 5, it softens the skin texture. 6, it helps fight acne. Probiotics in yogurt can support healthy skin balance. 7, it reduces fine lines because lactic acid promotes cells turnover. Another important benefit for yogurt, it is gentle on the sensitive skin. suitable for those who can't tolerate harsh exfoliates. 9. It helps fade pigmentation. Consistent use can help with dark spots. So if you have dark spots, this is the best face mask for you, and it is very easy to make. So why not? Don't always hesitate to use this because it is best for all skin types. Number 10, it boosts skin barrier health. Proteins and fats strengthen skin resilience. Have I left any benefit of yogurt on the skin? You can comment down below. Feel free. We are open to learning. As you can already see, my face mask was already dry. I was just trying to remove, but please be gentle. If you have a lot of time, you can peel it off slowly and gently. But if you are in a hurry, you can just go to the bathroom and use lukewarm water to remove it off as you massage it in circular motions to ensure that the mask is very effective. Also, don't forget your ears and your neck. After washing with lukewarm water, pat your face dry. Do not wipe with a towel. Just pat dry with a clean face towel. After washing, you will notice your skin feels smoother, looks brighter, and has that natural, healthy glow. After this stage, you can use your moisturizer and sunscreen. For my case, I use La Roche sunscreen. It has been super effective for me. But you can as well comment in the comment section which sunscreen you use and if it has been effective for you. Always remember the neck and the ears. If you have ever used this face mask at home, you can comment in the comment section how it worked for you. You can as well give us more tips on the products that really worked miracles for you. When always using any product, I ensure that I massage it gently for it to work effectively. After using the sunscreen, that was it. And we are done. There you have it, your homemade coffee and yogurt face mask. It is easy, affordable, and it works wonders. If you try this out, let me know in the comment section how it worked for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY beauty tips. See you in my next self-care video. If you haven't watched my previous videos, I have attached the link in the comment section. You can go and support my channel. Share to as many people as possible, and this will take me a long way. By the way, do you always give your face that gentle massage, or you just apply the products and go? As you massage your face gently, always ensure that you massage the nose area going up, just to make sure that there is no any form of sagginess, and also massage your chin going up just to avoid the formation of the double chin. I learned this from a friend and it has been a game changer for me. I want to acknowledge your support. If you're still watching to this point, your support really means the world to me. Thank you for helping me reach 1,000 subscribers. You can still help me grow by sharing my content, subscribing if you haven't, like all my videos. Thank you.